yena yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu.
Okay, you better trade pon Nyankopon asepa se enenso ode afemye na yaba Kumawood TV we COVID-19 ehon ensemsem na enenso yade ebrel life ewo Kumawood TV ene yebenya abadwafo amoma tenase ama yahwehwe ensem a ekoso ewo yema yimu efa COVID-19 ehon ipacho bomodin ase wo nso befre onua na onua nso afre ni nua na ya tenase na afei yatie ensem a eba abekoso ene yeda sore ya coronavirus COVID-19 no ashutu ko esro kakra ashutu eko esro kakra say so far yenya 1279 cases 1279 cases eno ene yeda sorry ye de ababeka ho ena omo a omo recover no yenya 134 eno so eye omo a omo timi a recover ena afen so emu edu baako abeka ho omo a sebe omo afiri mu no omo amawu no akoye 10 akoye 10 we eye updater ya de brew live ewo Kumawood TV midin ade somewhat kwabna dakon aka Samdakus ene me na me de dwumadie no ho chiame me pacho yehwe nchichemu a regions no ebi akoso omo a omanya bi regional omanya bi dodo a omanya no so ko Greater Accra omo de na edoso pa omo wo 1089 na Greater Accra efo ewo oba Ashanti region a yewo ye de no akosoro akoduru 69 akosoro akoduru 69 uko Eastern region so a eno so ye 56 Eastern region 56 Northern region and so 13 Northern region 13 Volta region 10 and Central region 9 Central region for so akoduru 9 Upper West 8 and yewo Upper East and so 8 Northeast region and so 2 we ni updater ye de ebrew live ewo Kumawood TV empanyimfo wa betrase na afei ya bobo ho na yehu de compacho telephone number na the screen so no bomodin ase obefa na wonso wode wadwen kire de afaso we text message obetime de text message and ase WhatsApp de aba na yakenkan de amount enra yen ex president John Dramani Mahama enso edin sembebre etudwa abadwafo wa betrans na ya bobo ho na ansana no ye beko na yakohwe video no yen ex president ekasa efa ho na ye ba ye nyina ya betnase na fe ya bobo ho we Kumawood TV COVID-19 update ana ya de ebra midin ede Samuel Kwabena Dakon aka Samdakus yenko hemra ye ba e wonche
are playing out before our very eyes with the current coronavirus disease. This is exactly when Why, when our brothers in Nigeria in February became the first in our sub-region to report a case of the coronavirus, I immediately called for an aggressive preventive measure to be put in place so that the disease does not spread into Ghana. We all hoped and prayed that this will not happen, but it was not to be. But now that it's here, we owe it to the people of Ghana to ensure that every attention, every decision, every human and material resource should be aimed solely at stopping the spread of the virus. We must manage cases to ensure speedy recovery and continue to have and build a secure and united country at the end of it all. In all these, my thoughts have also been on the state of our country after the pandemic. How different will our world and our country, Ghana, look from the world that we have known before? No country, nobody will go back to business as usual. In the coming days, I look forward to hosting further digital conversations on how we can rebuild our country, Ghana, and prepare it for the changes that are to come. I'll work with you all to prepare our country, Ghana, for the new world which will emerge after this pandemic. For now, however, my brothers and sisters, I trust that you're doing well and that you're staying safe and that you're taking the necessary steps to prevent yourselves and your families from getting infected with this deadly virus that we have to battle with. Staying safe no matter what is what we must all strive to do. Because as you may have also heard, in the model government is working with, the projection is that up to 3 million Ghanaians may be infected by the virus. And a significant number will require hospitalization or may even die from the virus. In his last address to the country, the President, Nana Akufo-Addo, lifted the partial lockdown imposed on Greater Accra, Greater Kumasi, and their environs, and Kaswa. At the time the country was recording increasingly higher infections, it was therefore not surprising that many Ghanaians, including public health experts, were puzzled about the considerations underlying the President's decision. The number of infections are not only rising steeply, but there's also clearly a horizontal community spread of the virus. The majority of the regions in our country have reported cases, and the bulk of the positive cases we are seeing are of people who have no history of foreign travel. One wonders whether in his decision consideration was given to the huge backlog of tests that have not yet been cleared, and the many possible cases roaming in our communities that have not yet been tested due to a lack of mass testing. Using the examples of countries that are seeing a decline in their case numbers, the science shows that public awareness on prevention protocols, accurate data, widespread testing, effective contact tracing, isolation, treatment, and care are the critical factors for success in overcoming COVID-19. Transparent and accurate data is critical if we are to achieve a better and deeper appreciation of the trajectory of this contagious disease in Ghana. Unfortunately, many health professionals have begun to question the credibility of the data and models being used by our national COVID-19 team. While it is the prerogative of the President to take the decisions that ensure our safety and protection, it is my hope that his decisions are guided by a genuine concern for the health and safety of the people of Ghana, and are also guided by science, not any political or parochial considerations. It is unfortunate that a high-ranking member of the President's party has suggested in recent days that the Electoral Commission should and will go ahead with the compilation of a new voters register as soon as next month, no matter how many Ghanaians die. At a time when doubts remain about the scale of the COVID-19 threat, and when social distancing has become our main defense, this suggestion is deeply irresponsible. Outbursts like this create doubt in the minds of the public if there are no political underpinnings to the president's decision. At this stage, we can only hope that consideration was given to the fact that the effects of the initiatives such as the local manufacture of personal protective equipment, PPEs, are yet to be felt in our health system. I must say, I'm deeply concerned about the health and safety of our health workers, considering that there are still loud complaints from many health facilities about the lack of basic protective gear. We need to protect our hard-working health workers. Not a day passes without emails, phone calls, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp messages from nurses and other medical staff from facilities across the country reaching out to my office and pleading for protective gear, PPEs. Right from the start of this pandemic, public education and awareness has been poor. Messages must be crafted in all the local languages and aired extensively on all our media of mass communication. The current scenes in our markets and public places suggest that the President's exhortation for self-discipline has largely not been heeded. Now that the lockdown has been lifted and the virus is mobile again, we must heed to the call to always wear face masks or face coverings in all public places. Government should speed up the initiative of manufacturing locally made masks, which can be washed and pressed or ironed and reused again. These should be handed out free of charge to the public. Strong public education on the safe use of masks must accompany this initiative. One gets the sense that perhaps because of the current low mortality in the cases we have confirmed so far, the President might be seeking to rely on what is called herd immunity as a strategy to fight COVID-19. But I dare say this is dangerous. We must remember that there are reports of reinfection occurring in some cases elsewhere, and also prolonged immunity to the virus has not yet been proven at this stage. The example of the UK at the initial stages of the pandemic, relying on possible herd immunity, is a stark reminder of the dangers of such a strategy. Eventually, Prime Minister Boris Johnson nearly became a casualty of the virus. While it is true that the rate of hospitalization among those testing positive in Ghana is lower than in the UK, it is also true that we have a weaker and less efficient health system than the UK. The burden of the coronavirus disease could potentially be very heavy. COVID-19 has overwhelmed the health systems of most advanced countries and can do the same in Ghana. The toll on our healthcare workers could be devastating. You can buy ventilators and other medical items on the market, but you cannot go to the market and buy skilled doctors and nurses and other medical staff. As it is, we are currently relying on hope. Hope is good, but science helps you to hope better. It is important to note that government's humanitarian intervention to alleviate the unintended but predictable consequences of the lockdown have been an abysmal failure. The distribution of food was chaotic and disorderly. and in some cases partisan. It flouted all protocols of social distancing and prevention of the spread of the virus. Definitely no careful planning went into the implementation of this initiative, as is characteristic of this current administration. My suggestion to involve assembly members and traditional rulers, religious leaders, and civil society organizations were ignored. As the president clearly admitted, this was one of the reasons for the lifting of the lockdown. Many Ghanaians were faced with two choices: either to stay at home and die of hunger, or come out and take their chance against the deadly virus. Faced with these two choices, most Ghanaians opted for the latter. I therefore can understand and I empathize with the sports of jubilation that greeted the announcement of the president of the lifting of the partial lockdown. With a budget in excess of 1.2 billion cedis from the Stabilization Fund, I believe we could have handled this mitigation effort much better than we did. Examples from some of our fellow African countries, including Togo, our neighbor, Cote d'Ivoire, our neighbor, and Rwanda, demonstrate how an extended period of lockdown can be supported by a well-coordinated, enhanced, and effective social mitigation program. My office has been flooded with correspondence from many working-class people, especially in the private sector, who have not received their February and March salaries and are having a difficult time feeding and taking care of their families. The lockdown may have been lifted, but many businesses are still down and suffering. Employees are suffering too, just as the many players in the informal sector are also suffering. It makes me wonder why our Social Security and National Insurance Trust has not been responsive in this time of need of many of its contributors. Social Security contributions are essentially an insurance scheme made not just for pensions in old age before we die. They are also meant to help contributors in times of adversity such as this. Remember that not all will come out and queue for food. Not all will come out of their homes to receive the food boxes that we go around and hand over. But as has been done in other countries like St. Lucia, I think a token payment of all contributors of a certain token sum over 3 months would have afforded many the assurance of feeding their families during these abnormal times. While we wait for a clearing understanding of the factors underpinning the decision of the president to relax efforts to manage the spread of the virus, I urge all Ghanaians to continue to be responsible and not to assume that the country is out of the woods yet because of the removal of the lockdown. I want to strongly encourage all my fellow citizens, particularly the aged and those with underlying medical conditions, to continue to remain at home. The young are also advised to exercise precaution because in the reality of the COVID-19 Russian roulette, and for those who don't know Russian roulette, Google it, nobody knows who will live and who will die. If you please have nothing essential or urgent to do outside, please continue to stay at home. Avoid shaking hands or joining large gatherings. Let us regularly wash our hands with soap and under running water, or resort to the use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers where possible. Continue practicing social distancing or stay at least 1 meter away from anybody you are with or talking to when you step out of your house. And please wear a mask to protect yourself and others from infection. On this note, I commend and congratulate all who are working and producing masks locally, including the Medical Women Association of Ghana, Dr. Jifaku Onu and her colleagues, who are also producing masks to support the fight against COVID-19, and the many others who are doing so. I still urge those who can afford to show compassion and share whatever you have with the less fortunate, especially the vulnerable, including people with disability, to continue to do so. Let us all bring accountability and transparency from the government in the management of the COVID-19 funds.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahye Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or
Kumawood TV, where COVID-19 and Samsam and yede live. Kumasi Ahojo Atenga Junction. Ye man penyini anase yen ex-president John Dramani Mahama ena ode ensem bebre ede atuga na miwo mabedwa fo ha ene ye bebo ho pa na ansa na ebekọ ono soso no medika aka akire o se we no ahinkrisi kakra akona nim kakra enti ye beka ho asem kakra ewa ha na afi ifi ho a ya ba the man penyini the ex-president and semwa wode atudwa no ya fa no baako na afi yedi eho enkomo Mr. Ernest Kwaku AJ vice second vice chairman Menshia constituency and Jake Azantilo ono so NDC communicator baako a owo Kumasi. But you have for my cover. Then bomb this. I don't know. Here goes to the record there. Cardiac. Scaruba wood. And men per se and to come see what have you said and to question and that they don't come back. Oh, na aye penti. Manko. But na aye penti kan. Sanity. And ye koda sorry you know COVID-19 the hon sem no. So far as you say akona nim kakra e ko 1279 then omo amare cover no 134 emu 10 and ba ko be kan amana ye 10 any mo sem so ko other regions now Greater Accra out of 1279 Greater Accra 1089 over Ashanti regional there were 69 and now Eastern regional Eastern also 56 ɛna northern region nso wɔ 13 wokɔ oti region nso wɔ 13 Volta region ɛwɔ 10 ɛna central region nso ɛwɔ 9 upper west ɛwɔ 8 upper east ɛwɔ 8 ɛna north east region so ɛwɔ 9 na mindi kan ɛmfiri NS
Yo, what else?
COVID no betwa mu na afei ɛde ahyerɛhyerɛ so okay okay sɛ wɔduru so a Devi abeduru now enchano refi. Chia. Ode jai. Enchia we enchia. Okay. Honorable Madam Quay.
Yo, I am here with the mind.
Increase.
I can't get it, but you will be able to say here. One of Anna, I don't know, Ghana hanging out. Then you have not soldiers. See, who come on the neighbor? You can't self quarantine power.
And I'm not dear no cost.
Vertical, and then you have the small things.
So be about no busy.
Yes, yeah.
Excellent. Sunday crowd to our own say Sunday or say Monday.
Say, the people ready at Munya, say, Yakiano,
because Obibabusa say, they be a sorry, I see, oh, my penny, yeah, dear, or your way, but still, no, not the necos, still a necos.
it tells you say Sarah you got what you say you don't test
me messing about my main quick commercial break me back
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch
Kumawood TV COVID-19 and Samsama ye bubo ewa na mesra se o hweme a obetma fa number na that screen so no text message betimi edu text message na WhatsApp e dia ba enkomo a ye twetwe no ha e ho nsem e na mepacho fa 0543 5960 0543 596070 ebipam so no ebebie ya ho matofo na tum na won so wachire wadwene na me wo NS so na ye ka about number na increase NS
yes number abana won se ka say 279 test eno mwaye ani ye twen omo ha enti sa test ni mu no ana say ni we no free mu aye den eba enti nye new cases ba so hwe ayi na new ayi na abana enkosoro sa so hwe new case na kasa abana
ebinim say ase mo ade no figure na kasa o but mo massage na kakra 2 days bia na mo de bia be kan 2 days bia na mo de bia be kan
hwe sebe se o ma menwu na so ma me ewu a what you say say wa ene dawo so na meboa government no hide number na agede no matter what it is say the tb ade na ba say be ndobi no kofa bai na meboa enti say no test no e ba asen hwena omo wie na results ai pie enti say pie ya ontimi fa results ni me ye testing ni yenya ni test ye ye expect ni ye results be say bani ye negative the influence abana di bibi ba say adini positive you can't do that okay. So obi won no feel say wo ni figure bia on fa meto on fa meto ga okay oh nyeme bi wo ho no ma wonua say no we are not in an ordinary time ne wo mre ye mra emu odin enti ade enti na ye mompaye enso fre nya popon sa ade ne kora no e be betimi ama ye say wi a idim be say 1 month 2 months na nka mo better so mu nya na negative Kenya ebe ye de na meboa ama nka ye duma se ne se ne fata o kata so a edie ben na de ba ma wo
se bia wo hwe African countries West Africa crime to Ghana na ALD what you say so e bia obi pese o tete so kakra na aja enko se ono no de na do so
oh dabi other African countries ka test omu nye bi testing no kura no wunua omu nye bi
okay
omu musa so ye kan ho asema how many are foreigners how many yenim say na anu ye ya chichi Nigeria fo bi ne ye neighboring countries
yeah
mo test point
yeah
but so mo from kom ne ba se ne test wo mo ana mo cross border no kro no bi hu say omo ba anything enti ya mo nya niam bi a ya ye de ye politics bi ye kan de se political unya emfaso bi eni so empaso bi eni so ame no de me de bisa da ko ye me de pa ne say at least metimi administration worker say Ghana bu ya ho odin se ne ye timi ama nipa over 130 something ho to mo ba ne de me misa se ne ye tie no saa e benya more as we go on na watwe na ba na yakọ yadim no na bo ho to mo no so ye den e kosoro eni tira me nu mi ne ye da ye bompa ye se nyankopon wo mo manya bi no ye bompa ye se wo mu ye bompa ye se mo nya da mu nyankwa o mu nya ho de no mu free sa wo ye se etwa o yanko wo se etwa adua etwa o yanko ho wo se etwa aduam e bi o ma me na so onye bi ne nya na nka se wo bompa ye do ye funa to ho o nya ho de ade ntino ye nipa na ye Ghana ni mapa na wo do wo bompa ye se yade no enko why
menya sure say obi
na manfo se figa no obi massage obi kata so o kata so
on say ade yare we bae no amanfo nim yare no na de ban enti ede ho nsem bebre aba one obi kura se ade no kura no wo hu obi a ebi aye no da ntwa obi ama TV so da enti ade no nya no kura enti akofa nsem bebre aba ani ti na ma me busa sa ba jote ma
nyo na wo busa ma e ko so ntia wo busa
so what be
what is a free bar
okay
enra
uni be free bar
so just
we ya be call
yeah so just say e me den say no so wo fem
yeah
ti pa be 10
so far
adwene say nipa 10 e be free mo Ghana very sad but pa yes sir o mo nya bi no o ho beto no ma be ka ye ho ni nyina ya de ni abode Ghana am ye sikasem ni dwumadi a ye di ma ye timi nua na me ka me de dwuma ye da Ghana ko nyina ase o ti de o mo nyina be ko so moa se de be ya COVID-19 e betimi akon ni etu ase
okay se ne be ya COVID-19 e betimi akon na fe ye tu ase medical ka se number no da screen so we bacho o betimi de wadwen kire e de aba Mr. Ernest Ekasana Sebia on an Yadrian. Once wadwen kire any saying fa wo de bra na yankin kan empa no Jake Manan Rouse so far and that's already ya increase economy day in and day out to be an e bi ba be kan ye kwe ni ma na say ye kwe yeah
Kuni awuni ni niwa de kontia MPP for the so ka assembly na de pi o man premier na o mu pressure apaso ayefo na mo he ya o bisa ro nya bisa ni so nkofo se obi amu disi banya bitre wa free aba no relax na wa change mo no start ikam because on penisa o person ka ka so o man premier ya de onya nkasa de ande na no wa pa oh me problem anti na face ye brave bibi no omu nje omu mistakes ni ntum omu nje ntum se omu ye nipa omu ya adamase fonti wo metima anya problem yeah
atebele hawa
so ho abrabo
oh aya ɛhɔ na mewɔ problem wɔ yɛnnua no MPP foɔ wanti sɛ ɔyɛ adamase no wo ne nnipa na ɛyɛ adwuma no sɛ yɛka sɛ problem bi aba baabi a nya abotrɛ ba menka sɛ obi a ɔbɛka sɛ abia ɔyɛ nnipa bɔne ni the moment a ɔbɛka so aba ne mmɔ ne wɔmmɔdi no woyɛ wodini woyɛ bɛɛfoɔ hwɛ nsɛm a wɔka mpaeɛ deɛ obi abɔ ba wobɔ mpaeɛ no bible koraa ka wobɔ mpaeɛ no woayɛ w'ahyɛdeɛ ɛne yɛngya mpa yɛnim sɛ nyankopɔn na ɛtumi yɛ bibia nti yɛngya mpaebɔ no yɛngya wɔ so te kɔ no ne yɛn nyinaa yɛmbɔ mpaeɛ yɛnkɔku asɔre dɛm ne yɛmbɔ mpaeɛ aba ɛyɛ saa wosua nyankopɔn na ahɛ mo problem a mo fie so no tam bia mosua nyame na ahɛ ma mo nsua nyame madwene ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ sɛ wohwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so a yɛa na mewura akɔ sɛ yɛsɛ yɛkoranta nnipa na yɛ teste nti ɔmo ayɛ teste ɔmo no ɔmo deɛ ne ɛba meboa ayɛ Asante Region Greater Accra ane yɛ teste yɛ so far no ne yɛate so ɔmo ateste ɔmo akorant ɔmo teste nnipa for regions ne deɛ aka no yɛnti ba wohwɛ figures ɛguta wɔn a regions ne nyinaa yɛ increase bi abɛka enti yɛbisa wɔ sɛ wobɛma lockdown for 2 weeks no anaa 3 weeks no wo se ade no yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛtra akɔ another region nti ɔma ɔmo firi aburokyiri baayɛ no woakoranta ɔmo ɛna wo test kwanta test no ɛna wohwɛ baade no koa ne ɛkɔ soro nti wobɛbisa wɔ a wɔyɛ ra because ɛkyiri yɛ adwene kakra sɛ regions na ɛka ho bi nka ho baasesɛ bi bɛka ho abaɛ no mento ɔmo ase nti wɔkɔka pɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ wɔka so abaɛ no abɔ ne ho mmɔdi ɛnyɛ true mungye ntom sɛ moyɛ nnipa motumi yɛ mistake moyɛ mistakes deɛ mpɛsɛ mekyerɛ ne sɛ ade ne ɛkɔ soro because yɛbɛkɔ lockdown na ɛna bɛyɛ 120 sɛsɛ yɛakɔa ɛkɔ 2,500 wɔde yɛmfa ne 1,500 obi kwasi wa wo si boy dabi ade nti na ɛsɛ ɔkwasi ade nti na ɛsɛ ɔka so ade na ade nti na ɛkɔ soro ɛnyɛ no kura sɛ obi ka kyɛw so umaji ade no wodi gudam no woyi ni kakaka wo se yaboa me ba mamu ahwefo a mo hwɛ mo modi mo hwɛ ɛfiri sɛ ade ne baayɛ no ada a ɔmampanyin bɛba kasa bia no ɔbɛba obi a ɔsɛ me boa bia sabi yɛn nyinaa we de nya yɛ furu nya ɛyɛ ni yɛ ada a ɔmampanyin bɛba kasa bia ade ne increase ada a ɔbɛba kasa fa ade no bia increase ba so ɔbɛkasa ya aba bia 5 2 4 bade ɔbɛba kasa yɛtumi nya 1 something ɛnyɛ me na meboa na ɛyɛ saa ne ɛteɛ obi a ɔfɔle bia na ɔyɛ kristo na ɔka ne kora ɔbɛka nsɛ asɛm a meka yɛ turu
data
tie mi deɛ ma ne yɛ ntorɔ kakra a ɛkɔfoɔ dawtae sɛ ɔmo te aseɛ ne sɛ ɔmampanyin kasa adabɛ ɔkasa Sunday no meboa ɔkasa Sunday no ɛne ɛkɔɔ 1,000 na yɛ 1,000 something tell me see me na yɛ 1,000 something 42 1,043 na yɛ 40 na yɛ 42 ɛna ne deɛ kye Monday bi amaka adeɛ kye Tuesday ɛna kodo ponkuruma yɛ press conference tamo gusu yɛ no ne nyamba ɔmo yɛ koduru baabi mi de me monitor de we o ɔmo yɛ koduru baabi ne ɛbɛka ho na ɛkɔ 1,154 ɛnura bi amba ɛna ne bi aba so follow baabi aka tusi ne nyinaa de bia meba de bia no ɛba because ayɛ oyɛ da ya sɛ ɛwɔ hɔ a wontimi ka kyerɛ me sɛ wotɛr sɛ wode gu hɔ adeɛ kyerɛ na wode aba dabi yɛntɛse ne saa wotia wo so sɛ yɛmmɔ ɔmapanya ba so wokɔ baabi te sɛ South Africa kwa deɛ ɔmo deɛ ne deɛ result ne deɛ waa ate si deɛ saa malaria test bi na asese yɛyɛ no wo test asisia na wanya ba yɛ deɛ ne deɛ nti saa yɛmfa ne si de bia mo test nti obi bisa wa munya
ebi sɛ
asɛm ntiro
ɛyɛ nipa ho adwuma
menni ɛsɛ
bia ɔmo ntimi fa maguɔ
ɛti saa na ewiase ne tie no nti na so obi so adwune deɛ wo nti ase no wo bisa wa ɛnyɛ abufuo mu nti ase sɛ adeɛ na mo yɛ
analysis that means obetuma predict
obi bɛ tɛmɛ aka mi kyerɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ sɛ obi yɛ nim baasa obi kɛ ɛne kwan so ɔma ne ha o na waka so wo ni wo nim
na ɛsɛ ha
bɛba dabi ofrɛ sa kɔ soro obi yɛ nwunu bɛba ade we ni nye nkwa na ye bisa omo nim die kura no omo bisa sa question so because we can twins na enti sa wutia mu wie so anuma sa baka so o ma panyi aya ade ha anura akwas Nigeria for ni abo o ma ba so the whole Africa ya si Nigeria for na abo o mu mmade so ati ase wutia nipa tankure wu ya no ya so o ma panyi aya ade so obi ka se eniema e koso no enko ya yenjintum because ade na yi increase okay you go ya catch and see a lock down am eniema ko yi ba ade na yi increase ntayam ti sie wo ho say ade yi ya say 120 cry ya ko lockdown after the ade na ko 2000 yesu nyina ya da so na mabonti aya no crazy abaya next time abaya miana next abaya miana say abaya minua chairman so obi bisa sa questions ayam ti sie na ko ade na e koso mu wie so a muso man panyi ya de da bia so ade ni bi kosoro da bia bi kosoro ye nyina ye jitum se nipa na amakra nto omo no senka de na free nkran kwa na eba ana bia central region be ya kra nto nkofo no e ya test omo no ahon kwa ni nkan ya yam hihye no ho ba regions foforo koso da bia ba ko ba mienu ba 5 ba wo ha na ba be bie enti eno na nkofo bisa ba bi me die ma di kan aka okay yes oh your politics me ni fire ba for so I baka say your politics because say me ko ka say ene me e ko na ba ni mbo ne wo mbadi wo ni ba bi a ya baka say me your politics
oh at least
me bi ya me
oh yeah bi ni de obo no mo de
ya bi o enti say ya bi o ahodi na me ntem ase no be
won ntem mo ase
me ntem ase me ntem wo media for wo samida ku ade ko ti a me ntem ase ne say madika yaka e wiase nyina ye di dwumadie bi hye wo nsa na wo ye ni ya wo nya ade o aye dwuma wo ye abusum so ye tua wo ka o enti wo nya ade ba wo ye misika ye beka adanti na adwuma no wo ya enti wo mbase bodia ne se
na se adwuma bi wo ha wo ya yetimo bo abase because wa ya ye ni ye
enti we no wa ye ni ya na so onye ni ye ni pe ade ne nkoi enti onye ndu ka ma ese abona abaso aya na adwuma abusumisu anka we nka ye ka abusumisu a wose min jepe me de me hu to so aba afore aya adwuma no ba wo ye adwuma jepe wo ade ne kosoro ya ka wose wo mampanyi aya ade ne so kwa ne kosoro intimi logic we mi nti ase gisi enu enu MPP fo nko a sa de be si atina de ya ma mu franka asam ai se nkanya so mampanyi di ne ma tutu ko man ka be buru sa logic we mu ya ne mu yanya kopon a na mu nim de be ti atira ni next few minutes yet e wonim de be ti the next 1 hour the next 30 minutes
okay
enti de wo so sisi anu mu asem na ya ne yeka na mu gye so o mampanyi wa ya ade ba de no kwa ne koso ni pata yewu tama ye ko lockdown na ni pasa na ewu e fine sisi etenya wu 5 abaka ho ebe de ye
omomodin mu amobo no ene bia
ahon die na ekire so wa bono omodi adie na ekire
enkoso sa
adie na ekire Africa countries no Africa countries no ye ekura mponiti ayi West Africa ye omu ye ni as ye de na akosoro omu kura ya mo o ma ba so ye timi IPP for timi ka so West Africa kura mpono o ma mpanyi we na ade ba onu so na awe omu nyina ye de na akosoro aye no kura ito kesa wa ya de mi mo na abaso de mi mo na abaso da ansa ne ba bo na abaso no gisi yare no watima maintain no me no kase munim si Nigeria yanko bi Nigeria de mu bi mu woti akase
wana ka kire it's never true
no na bitre na yensu ade nti say nti wo ka meba logic we kura de sample ya fa ni si Nigeria ponye ai test me wa quantum test no munye ana ade ne ba da ba se 1 month ni obi so nyale enko so ti mani increase sabi logic we o de ahefo na mo yam no omo de omo nyeye ne yeye me wa ana omo na omo nye no 1 month aba bi maka
wana ka kire wo you don't know unim wana ka kire Nigeria bi meka ho wana ka kire wo
tama wo kasa me yedi
oh masa no wo transfer na so transfer wo educate ni for public
wo wia wo de wo kan pa IPP for mu na mo sie te mo kan wo wia da so ahefo se wo wia Nigeria for dia no dia ba ka kire awa mi kama mi nkasa kwa hu mi monitor de we 24/7
okay
mi nko ba bia anne kura mi monitor fi nto wo wia wo na o ka no kura wo wia Nigeria for no fa kire dudu akoduru omo wukure nduru fan
na wode wa no si no
nti dia me ka ne se asem ne ye ka munja so obi ko ka wo ye befo eni kwa so oka na obi na ebo mpa so obi wu na ye na obi bo mpa obi ka wo ye aduma na onye ye na obi complain a o se wo pesi ni pewu nti dia me pesi ne cha ne se ade na enwo so na chese bi ba ka ho bi ba ka ho na chese nya omo ya kwara nto omo na se ya ye omo tese ne nkwande ya na aba. Okay. Because regions in India now improve it. I said, "Bibri ababa kawa abra sankofo ne yankranta omu bi." Nti yare na tra ko regions foforo. Na se de se yanka we ya yere ya wa ha ne yanka. Regions ni dia ka no, abetra ko ho nyina. Nti ya ha ya ni ka. Ya ma ye ni brani aka. Aba ma mpanyimfo na dwuna ba so se da bi. Ade ya ko lockdown ko ase no, ade na tra ko another region. Nti ye be ye bia be afra another region, be ko another region. Nti ye ka no krantra yampanyin ko ne leaders
no ha ya na
wanka bia ne yenye
enye evia omanpanyin
ti ya ka omanpanyin
ye ntimamufo
ntimisro me pato ende mu ma ye dia discuss ende mu ma ye ma yenyi
ati ya fa blame
me ende sa de ma yenyi leader ewia se de ma yenyi leader no ti ne yenyi leader
okay
se ne ma nkoyi a ade omanpanyin o mutuwe see ya baba discuss do mama die ade akoyi a meba ade akoyi a o mutimi ka so bin sida so o tie wo so o mampanyi abo na abaso o mampanyi na wo paani o mampanyi na haters o mampanyi dia na wo ye
dick
ade na wo ye kata yi manual se wo na wo se ma yan ka na business o mampanyi wo se ma yan fa subo ni nyina mo no o tie bo o mampanyi abaso o mampanyi woni na he daughters woni na ya daughter woni na ra ya fo ni ba se ade ni ko ye ho na ye boni di internet na bibi go wrong na oboni jinje wo ye nipa bani ni
okay waka I'll make you a point
ana this time
oh so respect to host no die ni
wait to go no
I'm reading text message where you say Papa Jake you know how to lie Papa it's good cry okay one fa udi
then call the kura ni so aba one fa the kura ni so aba okay
we say so I say Daniel from Koko I say good evening bros. Tell my brother to stop the propaganda. Greetings to JM. Okay. One so ne dia no. Ya ko yen now. Yanko video na ya ko share ye ex president obekasa ye ama ono nso ede ensem a ono nso eda na koma so abatudwa ye nhwe ye pese ye mfa no baako or say we must manage cases to ensure speedy recovery. Patriots. Yeah, manage cases no. Na mo ho beto mo no ento mo ntem. Na afei yentimi entoa oman no unity ene ne nkanko I think say asem we asema we have to discuss something about. I'm starting close.
we dey be twan tete because e do so
yeah do so fa
eno abi ne yakan si ya no se yan chase ya ba mani yare no si de ba ya ba kon tantam si de ba ya yan nyina si de o man panyin ka se enye no ma ta no a de nyina ya ko nti yan champagne fo ni we de min jindi sa ya kwani bia na obi aka no se asim panyin fo ni ma o mo so na ne ma na bibiri wo wa yan nye no enkoyi nchen ye nti so obi ka we ya hunu bone ewo because o shan kran say ye nya no ye nhwe ni ye ne ye ntimi na yare ni free ya so a se de ba ya o man no
e be se
ya be sense
aka ya mo abomu
ya be koye anu wa sam no kai to wo twempa ni fo na aduna se ya ma ye nimbre bi na se ade na increase no nti se ama ye ni ambre a ne ya teteteto a e bi ya obi ba ka so ye na ye ba se ade we ye kosoro a wa hwe ya ya baka se yes lockdown men ka ba me de ba the problem ni nyina se lockdown because say nenti samda ku se to na ade we kwa ko duru 5000 ya
am se je ne to pakis ka krabu
ya bi men pakis ka o anu ti ne atwa ska ma ba ni so on pan hwe ya ya atwa ska da bi o mu da bi ma mu nsre because so we countries atwa ya wa hia nyina togo fo mu kura na ya fi so mu sika sa munya papa kura omu provide aduane ma because you always care anything you do anything that's when you be me ntiase anything you hu se nya normal town o man panyi woni sika bia nya no botum sika Ghana sika bia da ba bi ani yakofa ma ne se on famboa ani asa ko je ebusia a ye nyina ne ye ba betua ye mfa hwe ba se ye tuo ni aka so ya pa kisika go ye tuwa ni ye nyina ne ewu ne sika na ada ho no na aka ba se o lo ko ya da no ma ya duani ndia ba ya pia bonti otimi de o ma ka
quick one amenko NS so na me musa se the ex president e kan ye nanado ebe gino e pass wa na se obobo atwato
yo Sammy me da se na se na menua dik ka Nigeria menua nanado danko akufa so odi kan aka se do bi de ye no kuro mu ye no enye no be no tie breaking news bacho Sam maybe ye mia
quote ni quote free
oh ena hono kan mani free so I am here, sir, or for some adine money. And I was saying, breaking news 108 new COVID-19 case, total 981. From it, what's it been my dear? What's it? A new case. Ah, Massa, Yabutre, you present down of one, you know, you put away. Ben Premium, it was a metro. So what's going to follow? What's going to follow? Oh, Mr. Sam, we are neutral. J, your chief.
Okay. Breaking news. Nigeria records 108 new COVID-19 cases. Total 980.
980.
Was it so? In Nigeria for you? Ayi mama hwe na me nkotuma no mama hwe na me nkotuma no aso so ne yen
o kaya se ga de ba be to aboti na komenti bi tele
dabi enye ne bu na afuo oh tie mesra nya bi ne bu na afuo me kirew se ade na se na aka nya no kore na woni aye se na danko akufo ado wonye se be president obaga se yentie obi a na na danko akufo ado onye odwanfunu syndrome so what you say aha utie afutuo ana John Dramani Mahama former president be kan nra no enya de foforo na danko akufo ado ene vanse Ghana mamu mpanimfo e de atodwa anya bia no former president John Dramani Mahama anya bia bo some ye the taxpayers money tua ne kana meboa na ye de aduma ma brante na wantimi anya oluma abeje ye no otimi ye aduma nya bi di tua abrante enu nti eye say ojo man ba pa na won say social distancing won huru yensa nose mask yenyese ni nyina wo bi na na kire say oye state so what you say media say former president John Dramani Mahama ni eye say yes na de aban na ye no odna no betum bi no tum krofo ofo na emom na sere no eye won tu Jake mofo na mo nsunsia de wo ka no ene beboa so what you say eno ene beboa won abone eye tie nyina ye dia no betum oye Ghana man pani dada a wo so what you say and retirement eno nti no so ofi say sa niam we koso ye beka na beboa eye na miase because onua se ne ye kan companies ahodo a onua private companies a o makra materials e wo so mtum ko ye bi mtum nya adwuma yie so what you say wo se sa niam nya timi yesere be ya lockdown no be ko fami you know ye fa ni say coronavirus no e be ba fam ama yetimi aye adwuma yie ama Ghana yetimi ama ye ho so ho enti ye se former president ye de secretary na card also timi cancer mpafa ho cause akokoro wani ye adwuma e me de tua brante ka also brante se adepa e be bua ma o na tumpo o do no tumbie enti so bode wuro na eye ye da na se ye nye aponche na say dead syndrome so what you say eti asempa e betie no na de ya adwuma
osaso ka bibi about lockdown they left here I think say na opatre say and can you quite say ke lifting at that time
sir
na I was say nka ye hwe ema yare no ko na
ya de ni free ho
kakra ansana ebia ya left
wa ya de a kire na dwene oh ye be fa na say o se kan ni dia
Ah,
so a kire na adwene na sa adwene o kire ye no onua ana me ka se na na dan kwa Akufo-Addo any team na omo bossa COVID-19 ho bra no omo tie expert advice na sarasimu na John Dramani Mahama former president working na nka be me depa say year 2013 mu ho bra na Ebola ba no so what you say good say Ebola Ghana Ebola nsi ha Ebola sana wa adwen kire wo Ebola countries na esi mu no and spread so compare Ebola as against COVID-19 na e be ka kire se masa ene won so na kire be wuhia tete kakra ayese wo de akwala ketua e compare ne nanankanso a sana ade we tie COVID-19 is global. Ebola is just within the Africa, but certain portion of Africa. Share when you say that time na AFCON 2015. So what you say? Morocco and then Osenka, Omo, hostu. And Omo say no. Per World Health Organization advice. Countries na Omo qualify no Omo nyabi Ebola. Yempe. Ghana yen as at that time. John Dramani Mahama na pamfo. Esi kete. Akwaji bi kwata ntafre. Obo free. Obo Ebola anuha. What you say? This is Ebola. Edi na mo ya fa ho. You did nothing. Dia mo ko ya ne se musika. Mo ko chedi ye. What you say? Entina I was expecting say kasa adwena wonya. Wo ka kire ye nde no. Sabi sempo wo shoot wa. Wo na do dan ko Akufo-Addo. Wo shoot and I want the expert advisor. Omo ka kire ye na. Nko beti ase. Church ase. The entire lockdown de ba ye na. Ama say chin a wonua. Ye lock down to the kingdom come. Hwe mma me ba ko Holland. Wo so wo mo eto wo mo kura no. Wo ma lock down. Tie. Wo ma lock down. Oh. Jake, behave, Mr. O. Church ase. Wo so wo mo de mo ye ne say ade a president ka se ye nyere no ye nye. Ena na ye nye. In the sense say social distances no yet make distance ye ho. Ne ohuru ye nsa e follow this procedure ya de na nye dey e move. Enti wo mo da no mu tina na don ko Akufo-Addo say ye follow sa de we. Che you call it baako. Wo manufacture in chancing. Ni niema be ka port wo ntimi nyima. Ene ya bie mu yi na djuma fo betuma ko ye adwuma. Se wo company ana so hwe sa brabo no ha ne atiti e koso. Na se na don ko bi mu obete yase. Obete yase. Ewo ni de wa hen. Contact tracing na omo yere omo aye. Omo hu the number, omo hu the extent. Omo hu yade no ni suban se ne yete. Enti no pe omo advice ne ye be bua no so ye ka ho asem. Ena na dan ko Akufo-Addo aka John Dramani Mahama dia beto so no. Ena wo se ye. Mr. Na ko tuma se. Enti no yenyan sa enema bi a ye ka ase ye ka de nya political gate bi of which emo. Ni nkasa bua me. Ni nkasa fu ame so. No kura ne ye ka kire Ghana fo no. Se de promodia afense ni di fo e ka kire ye no. Eno na president be ye. Eno si na bo oman no. Ye se ye ti hoyi. Se ne ya ka no. Ni de ye se o de ye se ono so de ye. Ye ohoro ye nsa. Ye hwese sa ne mo nya ye di so a. Ya de ne en spread it. Enti ade enti na ye biem. Na ntimi ma fo ntimi ko omudwuma so. Ko ye mu nyuma na mo sika loko.
Ana ye biem so ana na ye ka ye mbi asorofo no so. Omo so nyusu.
Tie. Mr. Dako, Dabi. Mr. Dako tie. Ana aba na president ne ka kire wo say. Mana president ka kire wo say. De obi di ye ne die ye me odun ye die ye. Onu no free say expert advice no de ye aduma. How many people enene obako ometimi aka wo kwa so de hwe ye Ghana. Wait, yan so de one man churches. Go and look the number of people who what they know. Ko hwentie mu aguso. Ene ukudum na social distancing ye aduma. Ye aduma. Hwe mamenka se mo nkire wo. Hwe wo ka school se masa. Me no mienu ye ma. Enkola nkiti obi fa so kokko yiri yonko de kwade ase. Ebe ma yade na ye den. Akoda nim. Etinye mebo ye nkakran. Ama president kwa me yeti ase se. Se ibi ya bie mu ekoba se ade ne trigger. Baby be ye denden de bosa ye den. Alo ko ne down. enti die ben ene ye so ayi se ye ntimi ni sa de we so ni ye hwe se ye nyina be ka bom ni ye ko ma ya de we akwa wie enti me da mesre se de ye ka no lockdown wo yiye no wonya boni bia
o hwe number na that screen so no obetimi edo text message ede aba na ya kenkan live ede ama we ye kuma TV COVID-19 eho ensensem ena yegusu a ye bobo eho
wonim minim
aya na me pese
afutue na otu ya aya because of ade no da bia bi baka
yeah
nti obi tuufo a ni mumba na ewo obetia
sande odi ka ka se
obetia ba kase akokora bi ye eduma de atua obi ka abrantie no so na ye eduma sika ne da ho amakwa ko yi mudi hwe ya
sika be na dan
wow
sika dan
ta $1 million na mo
everything
oh bi o ntimi
everything
mun kaya
why you sika na akope we na akotu wa ye na bachi go so say ya wona discover wa ye no say ya to so
former president say
omo problem ni nyina some for me so omo problem ni nyina say nyansa bibribi na ema mo wie ni
ya da wase
mbola ba ya no pese ma nam se onim nyansa sabi wo utu wantina ma yare ne mma hansa ye kase obi ye besia obi wo besia sa na wo dwenu so be kaya okoje Africa nyina okoje do Africa be bia se ye baba ye Ghana haya ne ye de baba be yo mo asue ye se wo nduro no ya meji mfiri ya nko so be kaya onko akoje no na akufo adu de no ye running mate okache en se pese mama enhwe ye si nipa ba akokora ewu a ono ne ya mmisa sa no kan owo we de
obi
ewo
hen
nti wo ba
da ben
oh mami
wona wo ka proof
maka misi 20
wo ka no aka kosa ene wo ka no wen wo ka no wen
so wo si nipa ba ku a obi yi Ghana fo ye nsuo nu wo se yakwada kwasole ni wo hu nipa ewu onsam
hanse
ade ye kan se
hansem
de ye kan se wantima mbo ya ho mbai ama yare na ba o tie se president etie advice ya president wo tie advice so tie advice so be kaya answer lockdown ba ba no so be kaya doctors no mo ye expect ni ka se yenye lockdown no be da president si Debi ti yare ni be wuro mu wie ya no ana o ye lockdown o ye lockdown adu konti o ye lockdown enye eduma no yi free wo se NDC fo nkwa ne ka na do ma nkwa ne ka so be ka o yi lockdown free no doctors na o mo ye expect no nsame na o mo kai so no obi e complain say ni kwa se nke yi lockdown free obi e complain ye ne ye ka ana ma o mampanyi be ka se kuro bi e o kwa ya o fasu kunti ani die kuro bi e o kwa o fasu kunti ade no su kwa na ekosoro oto de
mbese mbusa se ye ex president Mahama oje na nadudi the tembusa sa no o se o hope se decisions are na nadu eteki ene measures are all ye no onye a beboa but mo onye no political enti mo jini di
so wonjini di a onka ana wonjini di Ghana japade wale obe okosoro ba Ghana japade na wono ho ye de Ghana sense so obe ye nti na wo twu ne adwene asiso so ati ase wonim ya kakra adukonti a omo kan sa ne se lockdown wo yi free one ta omo se yesika samu no no president ka former president ka wa o se yesika samu ne ko so obe ka finance minister for parliament no se Ghana yesika samu ne bejina ye bejina gisi 3 years owo nyame na meka obi a obi bi a video okay nti ado wo tie former president o se ye nya vice president Dr. Bamia ba ka kire so Ghana yesika samu ni na ye your mama na ye one o si your mama na ye 2 weeks okay the reserve is na wo ye 2 weeks na asa ba omo de omo ba ye 3 months o ma ba ye ma yesika samu na gina ma 3 months si bibi tu Ghana kura na ye betimi ahwe okay nti so we no ka se si die ya finance minister kan 2 weeks pe no ka se yesika samu na conform enu nti no ba yi lockdown na free wo no ne te se ensama na Dr. Bamia adwane numu se yesika samu ne ye aso wuti o ya papa na wo no o ma wo fi na wonim o sika na da bang no wonim se se wan ko aduma 3 months kura na obetima aba akoma ama nkwara na didi okay ana o kan se de na Jake na wo ti wo no Jake no ni sika na da bang no obetimi de aba akoma 2 weeks pe okay na mimi die mimi ba ya no matima ya metimi bɔ akonhuma 3 months nti yɛ mmɔ yɛn nsɛm so ɔbɛka yɛ sa na dɔkta ba miaka basi sɛ yɛre ni ba kura nduru 1 month yɛsi Ghana yɛ ho kyerɛ 2 months mba 3 months mba yɛsi kasa mi ga akɔ nti na na obi sɛ ɔmo sɛ mo si yɛsi kasa mi bia yɛ ɔka wie na ɔka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔsrɛ ɔmo sɛ deɛ ho kyerɛ ne so wɔ hɔ no sikasɛm ne kɔ fam no ministers wɔ akɔ 126 no wonte so ɔmo dɔɔso dodo pie ne ɛkɔ ɔmo ne dɔɔso sika ɛkɔ no hɔ no ɛdɔɔso Ghanafoɔ ahiafoɔ yi a yɛ sika ɛne yɛde tua saa ministers ne ka nti so ɔmo sɛ ɔmo dɔ Ghana te sɛ deɛ ɛyɛ ɔmo claim no ministers dodo no ɔmo nte so a ɛnka hwee because mi ne wɔ ka sɛ yɛ Greater Regions minister na yɛyi na adwuma bɛ na sisi a wɔyɛ yɛsɛ mmaniti fo den deɛ deɛ na wɔyɛ wɔn na ɔma adwuma bɛ na yɛyɛ now yɛnyɛ hwee na ɛwɔ akɔmanita ɔsi saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ sikasɛ yɛ ɔkusu mu dɔ Ghana si deɛ mu sie sɛ mu deɛ mu duni Ghana fo mu duni ahiafoɔ hɔ no mu nti so si deɛ bɛyɛ a aban ne bɛnyɛ sika ade aboa two sɛ nka aban no wɔ sika bi daba bi te si deɛ na mɛka na nka ɔkɔfo a yɛnyina bɛgye atum sɛ welfare na yɛti so ɔsi daakye mma ɛnyɛ ɔmo na ɛpɛtu o deɛ ɔmaama na ɔmo so wadi yɛ sika no nyinaa no a ɛne aduru hɔ no na mode kɔɔ parliament sɛ mo serɛ baabi a yɛre ne aduru no Ghanafoɔ ngyi ntum ne yɛnyi sika no yɛmfa mboa ɛne Ghanafoɔ nyina gyi tum because yɛ MPs ne ana gyi tum nti ɔmo gyi tum sɛ yɛn nyina ne yɛagye atum ɛne ɛyi sika no ma ɛna mo sɛ mɛka so okay saa sika no yɛnso World Bank yɛserɛ mo mumma yɛ bi yɛbɛtua ɛna World Bank foɔ so ma yɛ sika wobɛka yɛ nkɔfoɔ yɛ mu ka kyɛ ne sɛ obi a ɔbɛkɔ World Bank akɔgye sika bia na ɔno a ɔntimi ma ne gye ne ho yie baa no kora deɛ yɛ deɛ yɛmfa ho baa so woteɛ ka sɛ wobaa wɔbɛpɛ sika bi ato hɔ ɛna obi baa wɔbɛsɛe ɔma ne sika ɔdi sika no nyinaa na wodeɛ na wɔbɛpɛ to hɔ no ɛyɛ dɛ ne 1 month pɛ ɛnduru 1 month mpo na ɛkɔm de yɛ gye sɛ ɛkɔpɛ bosia firi ebi a jama a ɔna mede atɔ bi mede abɔ akɔhoma ɛna kyɛ sɛ nsɛm a na ɔmo ka bia da bi a yɛka sɛ MPP de ɔmo de ɔmo ano yɛ nneɛma yie nti na ma yɛ na obi asuro ɔmo de ɔmo ano siesie nneɛma ɔmo wie yɛ pɛ ɔmo si ɛmbɔ yɛn nsɛm ɛma ɔmo na ɔmo abɔ ɔmo ho nti yɛ deɛ yɛsrɛ ɔmo ne sɛ yɛsi kasa mo ne nyɛ nneɛma nkɔ yie deɛ ma nneɛma nkɔ yie ne sɛ approve kyerɛ sɛ nkɔ yie nti yɛsrɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo dɔ Ghanafoɔ na ɔmo pɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ ɔmo bua ɔmo mpanyim a ɔtumi nyɛ sika ɛde tɔ saa PPAs ni ɛyi saa nose mask ne de ma ahiafoɔ a saa pay na ɔmo gye no master wonti ministers no so because ɔno nkɔ minister bi nsi da o obi a na ɔappoint ministers kora 300 da deɛ ɔmaama na yɛ 78 ɔmo bɔ ne tiri so a so yɛ nipa bɔni ni ministers no dɔɔso nkɔ ɔba wɔdɔfo
sɛ ɔmaa no nso kɔ n'anim regins
dabi ɛdeɛ na ɛkɔ n'anim yɛnyi regins ni deɛ mfirim 6 ne mfirim wuti 6 ne mfirim a aka sɛn aka 119 sɛ yɛ 126 ɛna regins ni yɛ 6 mebɔ a yɛ 190 bi nsi da saa pay no so no obia na wɔ minister bia na ɔgye laser yɛfrɛ ne sɛ 20,000 nti wɔde yɛmfa ne 15,000 15,000 nti saa sika wei no ɛdɔɔso nti sɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo dɔ Ghanafoɔ a ɔmo nyɛ ɛkɔ saa kaa sɛ yɛfrɛ ne sɛ snake ne saa nneɛma no ɔmo nhwɛ na sisɛ members na ɔmo do ɔmo sika to hɔ sɛ ɔkɔ pension a wode bɛboa ɔmo no ɔmo mfa bi mbu ɔmo ma ɔmo ntena hɔ ama Ghanafoɔ mbu ɔmo a ɔmo abi adwuma na ɔmo tua snake no ɔmo nyi ɔmo sika no bi ɔmo nyi ɔmo sika bi ne mfa mbua anɔpa mi ti sɛ nkɔfoɔ di mɛni so ɛnyɛ mmara
maame mmara wo so ɔmampanyin dada nsɛm a na wɔka no na ɔpapa kyerɛ sɛ lɛm na ɔse PPEs no koraa no some of the health officials no ebi frɛ no a kyerɛ sɛ nkɔ ɔmo nya bi ɛne adeade na bibisa sɛ bibi saa si a ɔmampanyin dada na ɔse yɛfrɛ no anaasɛ ɔmampanyin a ɔsi so na ɛsɛ yɛfrɛ no
isada medawa no ɔse na wonim hwɛ asɛm a yɛka yɛ ho ayɛ sɛ wokɔfa wiise kube na wode anka akɔmpɛ sɛ wonte ase asaa na bɛyɛ wo bɛyɛ oni so ngɔngɔnan sɛ wote aseɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ na nadodan kɔ akufo ado na ba mu mpanimfoɔ dɔɔso ɛnso ne cost o ma ketua expenditure da ho no John Dramani Mahama na ne die sua no na ne die sua no ne die na ne die sua no na manfo jeje double salary na manfo jeje double salary na mo die so asere bibia hwe John Dramani Mahama asema wo kana ya me de na nka be me de se time na otia ban mu no na nkrofo fe ne kache na so nko be kachire yen 2014 malaria ekum nipa over 200 Ghana ha
last year ekum nipa 120
share cholera ekum nipa over 170 something Ghana ha
last year so ekum
so ti ase now those days and you this ka good play mu ekọ ya fere say baby ekọ mu nku bensu ne fe wo say Brazil na John Dramani Mahama na teso John Dramani Mahama wona na teso sa time no woni nkofo anoche so kai se eho pandemic bi si ho na nkofo wu oxygen yenya bi ma omo sa time no na na manfo ko mo ma ewu konfo anoche na John Dramani Mahama na president Ghana fo ntie ene de ohunu nyame na dan ko kufo da Roma obu ma mena hu se da mamu otite church ase hwe ko na ka se Ghana sika wa wi amna ka dompi na dan ko kufo da Roma ne waye nyame akasa ama dompe na hu akokwara ne enam aba ho ama yes ena me ba no enam aba ho emene incident we see ye no de nyesika ni bi e de hwa nkrofo he what wa wo se yan yes yan say BBC ebetimi ahwe ho 3 months ti e ka se Ghana ha yes ye kan eno kure na dan ko kufo do kan na eno kure nso we an ka se bibi be se eye pandemic eye disaster enye sa asem ne e kan oh ma ni abote ma me mo wasu so ti ase de besi yan ka se ye ka tie ye ka se ewiase even se ewiase nyina kora so ho mo ayen ayen e betumi atwe ye ho to that level eye nko bobosia bia but say no we disaster enya dia the expenditure level no e wo soro o ma be na so mo bosia sese o ma ben ka kire me o ma be na sese o mo bosia ka kire me be na dan ko kufo ado so eye na ye me nwanwa se NDC John Dramani Mahama baby jina be kasa asenwe eye Ghana ne ye kanu eye Ghana ene ye kanu but papa no ahokwe na dan ko kufo atumi aso ya sa ya de ewe ya mane other country bona baso Nigeria na ati yakọ Nigeria actors bi no what as mo kan what enye no kwa na video dey abo a whole lot of it so ti ase ECOWAS kwa na wo kan o ma bo Ghana baso se na dan ko kufo do du media wo die no eso ani wa ya ade obon ho modern wa ko entokori yiye ani ma yen eti John Dramani Mahama me kura me nwanwa me don't blame him me foto no so ti ase se Ebola bai o se na dan ko kufo do so set Ebola committee Ghana o bi wa nya bi da obu no ho na dan ko kufo do no ho so ti ase wo ye wo bi a otembra ase moto wo se mo ma set Ebola committee para administration ana mo nya kwan na mo kaka de amude anka mi hu ye a wo ka distribution ahwan wo dua ni a wo che na kala ana dia package na dia ka package mi hu bi bebre enka dia mi hu ni what you say but hwa adia na dan kwa kufara ko ode sa dia we afa so no amansan e bodwene so e ma na mo agine yoyo no ane hamo ene ne wayera John Dramani Mahama waye o system nim ene opese ye tenenka ene obi jobe do be kan ye no ene obi jobe kan do be kan ye no because so hwesi kasema ye kan ya wo ka me nwe tu wo ka ode anka e compare adwin
nti maye sika na mo petu ho na wo se mo betu ya ne maye baako
hwe no wo ka se emfa senate yen tete senate yen fa bi nkotwa wo betena aban so over 60 marks mo Ghana ha wo betena ha na senate fuo sika ya tete agboduma fuo sika na mo di mo hara mo di sika ne yehu na na kokofo do baaye ana sa anya ma wei obeye ye ma ne obi ko ahodimje mu a ye nyine sika de ma no mo sa de mo sa akọ kire so mo sa de mo nsa akɔkyerɛ so mo ba ye hwɛ mo ba ye mo ba ye no ɛyɛ e brother say nursing trainer allowance no mo anya mfiri wo o mo nya health workers o mo anya mfiri wo na no adanko kufa de bai mo na mo so mo dwene health workers mo na ase to ankɔfo frɛ wo wo tena so ya mfrɛ wo te so no o wan ka nkyerɛ wo tie wo tie so tie ase ene se akɔkɔra wa te se na adanko kufa ado wo gina ho wo timi akukun wei ama ne Ghana sikati mi agya no tu sa na mo wei a wo gina ho ana atoto ayampia o toto ayampia
okay
enti me de mesro me zoda ho de John Domini ham be ka ye no eye daye ana wo so eye daye ana wo so wo ti ase sika fa du he si kwa wo pe du he si kwa wo pe du he si eye do ma drama ne papa ko sika ne si eye do Domini hama ne papa ko sika John Domini hama ne papa ko sika ne die ko ja IMF na wo sika bi da he wo sika ba ka mo ani dumso mremuso na mo se seska
ogusu ka wa wajano aye sa ko tiefo woni ska bia da ba bio ye ko bo ogusu ani ska da ho ne ko fa
ye wi a na wo rebata bia wo de aba
ye bi ntu wo de wo mbisa ne se
tie me ma on time wo ka wo de wo tie din wa nkasa enti wono so ka ne de na se wo bi bi o se o wa na ojo to ne de o so jo to
ba ye mpese bi ne se
me ma o chance na waka
ba de me aha me ne se wo so mo pesika to sika bi ni ho
ns me wie no onua me nua de gide me mfi no me wie no ahu nyame ene eda nase se anye bia na dodan kwa akufo ado yade ba ye watimi anya international assistance ye de beka Ghana ho a ene private schools a omuntimi ntwe workers kan kora no at least ye twes kan bia ye betimi de aso masene ama wo mo so na timi anya bi e de twe workers kan into 1.2 billion na mo ka se ye cheche ne fa no aduane wontim fa no kwa no aduane wontim fa no enko no aduane aba no wo hyehyɛ de to ho se ye ma anya bia no small scale enterprise ye mo hu bi ye da so mo sene e mo adwuma ya mo ya akoso etu we nyina no John Domini ma yasere no se mpanifo no de hyehyɛ ne beto ho a ɛyɛ a won hwɛ no kenkan a won sa be gina bonten e meka do be kan ye no because man no kan nyina no president aka
okay
waka de ya adwuma
that's it my boss so but I'm already text messages here I was good evening Mr. Host. I'm Noble Guy from Cape Coast. I'm happy Jake is educating the MPP chairman. I can see JM Victory is hunting the MPP. Please tell the MPP guy if he has nothing to say, he shouldn't shout at the studio because we the viewers are watching the program. Corrupt MPP party who can swallow excavator and more. Okay, I'm saying also we say so. And so say, I say I'm watching you live. Kwaku AJ all the way. God bless you for educating us. Opoku on also media. Jake, my Rouse now you be an officer.
Be your papa.
Ya no do be di ache.
Woni ma ko ntia me di ya o ma twantro sa ba ya na ha no ko ntia ya na ha me ni se Ghana ni na wo twantro no o hwe ya no asem ni ba ye niska finance minister na kan o nya me na me kan o ko parliament no ko gina o ma mutimi kan ni yesere mo mo ngoguru mo behu wonu na ko gina no siska bie ni ho nti o se parliament o mo ma ni kwa ma o nkwa pa gosia no mfa beboa na ayi wo bia o hwe me samida ko su sise mi to mi wo sika na me yare ana me ma yare ana me nya aduane ma wo mo na me si mi wo sika na me ba ho se ma mi sika no mfa ko hwe o ma logic we su de firi okay ye ni sika na da ho no aye sika ye ti sa fa ni 2012 se yam boaboa no amfa ntu ho ade do ma boaboa no ade tu ho ana mo ba mu su mi di bi aka ho so what you say to okase mo ba mo be praise ka bi nintina mo anye ska na aye nduro ye wi ani ekọ we ban ani ekọ tv anu so efiri mo gusu twa ntro se o mampanyi apeska mo am finance minister ne se sisisia no ye sika samba gina gise 3 years nya me na me kan ya na niema nkọ yie na do ma ka so senate ye ne adua sika to ho minimi na mesika wo ho e na o se ahochi aba bu o ko so me se we ka we ya boni be na waka o ka so enya abai we kura de nya oni na akofo ado o ni senate o mo ye ku a mo gira o mo di o mo e na o so o mo tutusu ma mo no se bi adatru o nyine a na o di aboa no sisi o nya kwankoye eduma o wa wo tirim intima ni sika bi o bi kan we ya watu ayamusu obi kenya asasem we ya ayamusu
o sanso say public education has been poor na I know I can want some crowd because enka yenye some short commercials na can spreading all the radio stations and TV stations na can to me
it's a no be say Kumawood TV mu 30 years adwe nyansa mo no into obi na obetimi abla mu bi at least ya tweska skania ya twane de omudi abeti enyina oh Kumawood TV mu de
se bia wonya start
mu dada tita ben biem anu ne okwaka I say you super incompetent am say aya politics Kumawood TV mu ye ya de abo mu de munje wa asiri bi na mu mo because mu ye dada into the ba we kura ni yamfa ba se de block o mu babo ni free esu kura yamfa ba o ko ka we ya so ye and mama nunsi to mama se ma o kan se aye ni kura communication e wo from o ka ye ti da bi adenti na so ka wonu tum ba ma yen kan tire Ghana yen kan tire MPP for say endi si for yesu ye o ma ni bi o mo mu wu ni nya MPP for nkwa ni wu si yen ka mu kwa na mu wu di anka e be jam mo wu si ya mpanyi fo nka ebe jam ba ye mu nkwa ti se bibi ko so
be jam mo wu
na eni bu ko asamo mu ka sa na asamo mu ka sa na etre me MPP fo no kwa ye mu mpanyi fo nti si chama mu se ni nka be ka so mu di owu kwa enye hwe ne ko mu me ko si se mo mu ka ka na aya ato da aya because ade na wo ye
se chama wu kwa wa kra wa
ni ti na me ka ya mesu ba ni na me ka se ti so obi ka mamu hu ni se asam na o ka no on ka so man panya ya ade na o ka di case no ye ngusu ni ye nye skana omudi bete o ti se na o ka se skana ye ba no o di omudi be ye bia mu ma ye hu up to now skana egu ho me boa me nti so mu so mo yi bi dia ko ba bi yare nsu kwa na ekọ yare nsu so nti ana nkofo dis ka bete onim eni ba bi o mai every insurance for so ai every insurance mu di de ka wo osote ni yes kan fara ni osote no nipa so yare wo na ekọ wa first kana nku na wo diskada kwa akoma sa kwa ni so mu pengu wunsi na do na o musubu ofu na o musubu ofu se wo da yaka ye nyes kan fa hwa yarefo malaria wo we wo ho wo ma yeska ska da ho no wo di betu yaka no wo diskada kwa akoto ni ska da ho e di amamu ni ye
no chairman sa we na like educational e wo form ene se be am be ade a mo be chama media no ene e bia like baby yati mi promote sa ade we no adenti na emma
yo me dance mi sadako na asa na be kokọ no ma menye rebata keto abi ma jeke nti ase heritage fund sebe nya John Dramani Mahama ne papa koku ska o me say enye me say account me say enye ne papa koku ska ya Ghana oil so what you say ma me hwe ahwefo enhwe ade ma me pese obi check side we ma me so ma me ko tu Ghana your friends saying GMK against Ghana hosting AFCON 2015 we near Ghana Medical Association Ghana web and the ko tu ye good hwe GMA caution Ghana government on AFCON 2015 Ghana news hwe occupy Ghana cake against AFCON 2015 hwe don't worry sanye ma we nyina chira umra na ya feni say Ebola aba na Ghana ya president ene na begafo kwatwe wo mo do ma breye na dinso aba cha dinso aba na companies yiguo no sa ne ma we hu na mo kigenzi na mo diska dombe die nti dombe die na kofiu different no mu dis adiwe ma menchia Dr. Opoko do say Ghana Medical Association former president me bra no me chia no pa me ofa eye the ubona na e ka ho asem se no me kan o se ye hwe se all media houses and sabeka information na almost spread them say no me buy and tie and no me buy me oh adia eye plane also man Ghana for obi ate me say me catch you say me gensi the idea say sa o ma pick some media houses o ma de jenga na koma wo mo a o mo bo no mani nye ho also me ye available na say anya bia no kakra kura na obi ansa be ka no e betimi aboa ama no so timi ahwe no wekese kakra so what you say but the idea say obi be selective na wode fund no akoma certain individuals bi na akababa so pa na de wubo de me do akoso yie de wubo akoso papa Ghana memu a akoso
sa level na I was say 20% some more elections the way am see e campaign
tie adu kro bien ho wan tie kai ya ka coronavirus wan say ke municipal bia eka o mo call rounds ekoje me ka entwa me say ayi fa de heye de bia so mo na ho no mo ka ho asem ani e kuro be na municipal ni national assembly ni so o mo ye information centers nyina ye but e ye me cheese boss
chairman so o share me o share the way ye be ye election pa the way am see ye campaign etisi dom ema obi ehun say election time aso
what dey easy for
enya sa na we na do
tie na me ka kire wo say ohun say Ghana no enime bi wo ho no mu a enipa no wote a bi a won take ni serious so what you say e bit na say ha kura wo kan obi timi ka say yare ne kwa nya no kure ana me bo what say nya no kure
e dey tin na man ba kasa
e dey tin na man kan sa e depend on me na dini ya kirem na ya tinye e chinyijie e na ye wo mo na won ti so obi timi ka say yade we Ghana enkunye uko no petese wa wie won ti sa de ma we nyina ekoso enti eyade a
enti me ma of 5 me ma of 3 minutes na mama take 3 minutes de ye man panyin kan ye I think so what hwe ni na also hwe ni na de obetima bon tofa na fa ye mi e phone na ye ko right me de ka ma of 3 minutes
yo me dance sadako na me de se de meka no se John Dramani Mahama enra ade oye no me ko agye die ene madwene emfa ba kokra eye niemo ho sem no be no yes eniemo ho sem
kasi wa mu omampan
na ade obegina ho be ye no eye niemo ho sem ni na tem enya tem didie da bi tie eye niemo ho o ti ase ye tie o Mr. Jake what dey troto ho tie John Dramani Mahama sabe nyam yonko no ba bi e woduro mi nuru kota so ti ase mi nyane yamba panka me pe na me boa ti ase me kan me nkan tia no me nkan ni na tem de me kan say ade obeye ye no ense na emfata si ho mampani ti Ghana ha no mampani address Ghanaians na won so akogina ho aye the same thing anya bia wonua wo Ghana flag wo ni wo se na Ghana flag no wo paso kire sei o paso kire sei
what did you say
na flag ya odia
o paso kire sei ni wura fi sei yetu na de so ni wura fi so retirement o da no so da ye still out ya dwaso no munwane no was a candidate now he's now a candidate of NDC onye president na na Danko Akufo na president o ye ex president nimre twem so ti ase nti e besere no eni bi wo ho no o ya eno chese na Danko Akufo o ya accommodative na wo ye nipa bi o na dwen se de besi bia no won ka hwe na nka John Dramani Mahama nimre so na sade we si ya tiro ka kire Canadian Japan se wo de ye venze bulldozer ebe kum entatia no nkasa na obeye but unua yeda na se na me no na emra wo ye sa de no ana me boy ba ko se daddy enya John Dramani Mahama no so no a wo se na airbus no wanka ho asem na am se ya so kai mi o na me wura fi se John Dramani wura fi se airbus no intermediary 1 and 2 government official 1 Ghana fo nyina se yi ono a ye ka di sinu so alert ye ka di ni so no eni wotimi anka ho asem wotimi anka ho asem o but wotimi be gina ho ka COVID-19 na Danko Akufo ado aka ho asem Ghana fo nyina ate sebe na me no mi enu yeti wo yi eye fie ye nyaye a da be na ebu akonta ye bu akonta wa mra ye wie na me boa COVID-19 ye duru sen esi ye duru sen a wo be wo to ho wo ti dollar pampanya na se wiase bi bu abo e wiase bi bu abo so ti ase se ye me bu akonta ye hwese akonta buo mi ti ye duru sen ya de ya abe ya ko duru sen a wo di akonta buo no mayro ne mo akonto e de be na mo hu Ebola de mu bu akonta ma ye chi me ne ko si sei Ebola skadu twa dem ko de ye a contract ahodo exorbitant price mo de to so no kuranunim e lidi no omo former your friend say chief of staff original yes ye na die e no ko si sei hwe tena ho unim go and read your history
former chief of staff
what you say no saade no esiye it all these things ni yesere no so one team e kan airbus no ho asem manfo di mother accountability won twen se mere no so na dan kwa Akufo do wie na ya de ko wie akantabuo no hwe no ne nsabeka Ghana fo nsabeka na dan kwa Akufo do sabe de woduro no diska kwan o diska kwan muna mo ni abre ana power conscious ntino hu ne wo ye wo da na patabribra bon na wura fi no up to die no asore no akogina na wo kasa yesre no na dan kwa Akufo do na tia bem yesre na wo ma ne kwa no mu Ghana mai
patapane akekakeka to kasa peyi na ko ayi ya president kasa pe no mo wo tito I mean say no brofo na o kai me nua chama won ti ase because the chama dey work school pa
nkoi
wo say scanner o di aba ye so to me ma ye ngunu to o ka kire committee ni say o mu bibia o mu nya ne pepe se de be ya o mu wi a mu beda mo ka we ya o ka le se be bo akonya tro o ka se be bo akonya two Mr. MPP Mr. former president ade wo kasa no mu hihyi wo ma think wo kasa nkasi de wodi abere kwa nka kwa so kwa ment kwa so se wan kanya ansasam kwa ba wo kasa
man ka hwi wo Mr. man kasa wan kanya ansasam Mr. man kasa Mr. fa se mehema no
wasi wa yan ne mo hu sem
yes
so be kasa ye sa no kan
wo ka tira panyimu
wan fa bua ma president ene Ghana fo
na Akufo do kwa wodi president da na wondi bi da na ya fansa da otaba me na wondi vice president da okay 2060 wonim sawa na o ka fa do mama away ya vice president to one team use were incompetent mahama satom no wondi vice president da minister kura no wondi bi da
na president ka say was so ni president da no nkasa wan kasa ahomaso kasa no wan kan
na say you true wo chani
na dey asoso
wo chani bibiem
na dey asoso
wo chani bibiem
enanso
ani ya dia manu no ya dia wo te oye ana wo chani nka ana wa ben na wiase nyansa nyina woni nim sikasam ye di share ni tawe ye ekoso ugu nkofo adwuma wo ba nya nkofo adwuma na obegu ba dia me kan se yo mama ho sa mole dia na obo kan sa statement bi na no read na be sen ka me na nka me read wo se so bi ye adwuma sen ka o kan o kaso anam se sa de na wo ye ni nti ana ma ya de ni be kum nipa 1 2 3 a nen ka wa kaso wa nya ade ba ye kase ba kokura anya obi kura anya kura nkoda o sote obo ho ba kura o ma den sia kura
ono obo de ho ban
ade te so ye
ede na o ye
wa wo si o nye hwe mi wo so yare na mahabi yare na mba to obo no wo bi jem ka sa statement a wo read am no wa ka mi read because ko read ne ko de aba confirm say anam so wan tie ni nti anu nti na ma nipa mienu mi ensa bi wuye na Akufo do ye tunufo a wo tie no punie de wo tie ni punie o ande ta wo ye ka cho se na ne bi ma tubada ni tu airport o se da bi mi yeska de wo yi de wo se yeso wa nyini a wo no peska ya shi no yeso tubada ni ye yeska ende na nya nkuti o se da bi mi tuma nye ye afa yare ni wura mu wi a ni wa ba be tu ni si tana Ghana sa tam no de bia ni pa be play be fight me bala di Ghana omo mu free time eba enti o kura be ka cho se omo se be ka cho se dabi yare ni free time na eba te se de mu kla mu se na Ghana school for mu se NGC for se yanko for mu ba mu nko for mama mi wa mu nko for mama ne de bia na play be fight play bia for 200 kura na for tamsi 5 no fatam so 1 month fatam so 2 months fatam so 3 months enti de e kan say former president John Mahama nsem a wo kan nyina no aye sabi amamu na ye ebu no MPP wo position me nye so se chairman say na wo kasa ye press ye read the budget awie no mu ko ye press conference na mo try say ne kuro ni nie anne obi di bi ye ma na musu mu twantro obi di bi ye ma na musu
okay
unja na Ghana scan nyamu dia aye o man ni nyina dia enti so mu ye bi ye wo right ye wo right se ba ka tira mo se ade we na mu ye no enko ye enti mu nti ase mo mu ndidi obi atop ade jo mama ka hospital se osisi ye okoka mu
sisi ye
jo mama on esi
sisi ye enye on sisi ye enye World Bank project enye na si ye o kora bi ade ne kuka se do be scan ko da o masa
dia mu ye
enye Ghana ban sika enye Ghana ban sem kora masa don't go there
ama ye si ye de yare ko kura kusi
ya kasa
na ye no ha me pa cho
le ko hospital
me bie me phone line
se mo bie mu bie mu so mu bie
ya jano wo kasa kusu kasa edi
me bie ma ho na tum obetima frame sisi a na onso de wa de aba obetima frame sisi a na
contest message
Eddie Abba. But on number and that 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. We or say MPP are liars. Even 70% of NAFCO trainees have not been paid for the past 5 months for the allowance. But when they come out, they say they are not owing any training, especially Jumako and Esian. Okay, we or the free Accra and the good evening. Okay, hello. Hello.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV app.
Hello, good evening, Fanny. Me dear doctor, because free the champion. Mamemo about Sopa, Namentia, brother Dick, and a charmer, so the charmer. Kaka make can say, who her former president, Mahama, Namisha, and Papa. Since I read by it, Papa Babu and Tinsa Mobi Bianfa Yaman, some Ampa, no hen and Eku Fabra, a very good by, and an Eku Rabi Yaman, some. I catch you right on the money, Mamma, to Nipa Kuma, the baby son. But for pay by a nimreson, who said, Mahama, fine yaman, some a chadier sorcher, a modern dear so bubiano, a set your boy. And that's what MPP for now. Since then, I'm looking for the chance, so Mutega, Ganasika, or Meditunia near Mancophone, no more the yaman, yourself, or Monom this sticker, a bubble ball. And next, Sebi, over some done at the coin this, so but in send your nature, and this was a sense, Yamiadma 2020, no, Yami about for Jombe Piano, Ghana winning send a milk water burn, or fairly Dr. Bermia on no way, Ghana rumor, Minions and Truck Locano, the Kamanu, one, and the bank among political compressor near the other 2020, first and first woman now, a trouble, Mamma, Abama, or Resident Roman Mamma, that's me agree.
Yeah, hello, good evening. Yeah, you're from Noble and Cape Coast. who must always meet you up, Ubridgman, and I'm Chia, also, a Jake in nature mansion. You know, Ubridgman, and I'm a car, actually, chairman, a friend and Angie, so then the MPV chairman. Mother, yeah, you to know. Service everywhere, and yet they never treat a TV, I like it there. You have to put in a funnel, you have to be out. As American, it is not true. Oh. So sometimes nobody at TV station is someone. When you say something, TV set nature. Oh yeah, or you will fool okay. And then in something with the war car, it is not true. It is not true. Sometimes now, that with Muhammad at all the time. I don't know of office. Institutions now, we keep it. We make a crack. Yeah, you also especially. And somebody over because of lockdown, another because of the fire basanti. There's a problem, and we continue. Yeah.
Hello, but Panorina, your friend Mike, the free father, at Antonabo for. The party, I am not before Casa, or would you like comparison with COVID-19? The Ebola, without the Ebola, many Ebola certificate, Dr. Kungu, without the Ghana of Wahi, and the free a billion daily base, the Moko Dr. Kungu Bagana. Where are the idea of certificate China? You need Padova at the free China to Bagana. If you are more Casa, Momufa, Ebola to talk COVID-19, and I feel to almost say, and he's one of the my baby, who said, opposition will be at a unity, say, on order they fight COVID-19.
Okay, also betting alpha number and not also the audio bar. Wait, or see, good evening, Mr. Host. The NDC man. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
But I didn't have your free.
The one is you, make us free, Conan.
Okay, Mammy, too.
The next time is ex-president Nama or can we say Smith for Emfa Emma workers?
Yeah.
But as a review, say workers over 3 years, 3-year pension scheme. Mu Baku, the church here, no, for workers will be. I didn't see now workers, no, and one or more. No, and then all kinds of pension a union and Pamom. Maybe I felt to say, Osaka, tier 2, no workers tier 2, so, what's that now?
Hello? Good evening, Mr. Host. The NDC man needs to go to school, broaden his mind if he is really want to be a communicator. Hello? Yeah, good evening. On me, I know I'm also with me, Afre, now also watch the watching it. We are Kumawood TV. Yani Demo. Hello?
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Also, we didn't have
From Isaac watching, that's a few Isaac,
man, I'm going.
Yeah. Hello?
Isaac, with you.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, friend, me, I'm a patch up. Normal TV volume, no apple from the Bay of Betty. We or say NDC man, please talk as a wars man. What is wrong with you, NDC man? Why is that how? Okay, hello.
Hello?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Thank you.
Isaac Party, Casa Free or Second. Yeah, and I'm a special Bolana for Abasu. Or this street intervention on the COVID-19. Which are final degree, but focus in the we see what's at the area of the what he is doing for the nation. We appreciate what he is doing.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Fine evening.
Good evening, baby.
Nikasefli Chronomo Franco, Kumasi.
Good evening.
Ya flama kwesi apia. Ansam na omo kan na mpese me kan kakra. Na ayi NDC ni na okewa o kasaro. Ni yira free say. Ni yira free say emra ya de we estati say eba. Tenka na na do amfani na ANC form. Ena se bi o tie NDC do ma mansema. E kasa blinka Ghana fonki ewu. Ya no omo kan se bia ya no omo ile fi ana. Omo kan se ma ya no omo ile fi ana. Ghana ya wa Ghana ha. Ena ye kasi ye yele nkonfam. Ena wo mutu ko boken na wo mo maaye. Wo mo wi fonsa wo mo hwe wo mo de. Me daase.
All right, Mr. Dasi, last caller. I'm in fact my last caller. Nothing. The former final submission. Nothing. NCA. Okay. Yeah, fact. Phone segment in NCA. Dick.
A caterpillar grab.
Your time now, Cabaret.
Caterpillar, yeah. Caterpillar, quiet. But she is so disappointed. 500 a year. Confirm the sort of other one time. Now we caterpillar this old sister, which we found the back of my crowd as a quite similar. The American can say, former president, no, Sanka, never will see. What it is none of us. No, we saw this guy for your comfort. Bamu, I call for years, no winter mean born in charge of the minister of Bako Crane or Modena Cotina Court. When him say, and winter a man, Santa origin, near Dini Penny because they had go through them. I go on for so much to Musu say, Yariano. Passing come to us to your hospitals now, and can wait in Ankama. Your mamma, what you need say about your free education are you? But what is it saying in a day school? Because Nippon quite yet, I did be old. This is here, the local hospital, no Musu. A Bank of Ghana hospital, no Musu. Yami, young upon they will die, and neck. O ma ko bien in 10 e di nipa ko o ma bien ka hospital asante region ko a ya wo sawia ya fa ni say regional hospital ya wo we aw tinka mo ba na mutu asawia ya ko ka na mu di ata mu su na mu nya iska abanwe onu nko a binsi wo wi asita why onu nko a iska na wo nya jo Muhammad ya ni town se 3 ana o ma nya sisi ya 2 bu si o ma bo binsi da ye nim de o do o mo nsa kire so o ka o mo si free education me wa free education o ma ka se 2.5 million ana o mo spend wo enduru ba bi o sika de aka na ye bi se wa ya okay ye di tuatua ya ho ka ye so ya se na na akufo do wanya 8 years to on first can ye me dia me ti ya ni se ye so o si su no on bi e company bi ato o sika ma ne yere ne na mo asa no akọ anu ti na so o ko frata house a ni busuafo nyina twa ne ho ahia I didn't see what we are to be at that. Or no one appointing the bush and because a human food probian, one with Canibia, the buyer by a mother, despite one with a woman by the because so much man or what you call one to me, into a wind gas or Mugo, send an apple father or Basso of Wagana for. And when just so, and I will be present. One who are presa, the piano for no, sooner or come or down be done. And they did to now, but the air can say, your mamma, yes, Nima we na ye ti watam we diska we yeska ani nyankopon adu ani na Ghana for nyampa so free ye ntimi ti se ko kase no ye yeska mi wa muta aban muntimi ti wo bia minister ba ko muntimi bo on cha wo so wa yeska aya adi akwara agro na ya
o ya de ma me ko na so na pe
yo de Meka che Ghana for nyina ne se ye besre wo mo ti da na do dan ko akufo ado any COVID-19 committee for no can. Omo say CSC ho yensa social distance e dwum for ne sre omo fa nya adwuma se de be ya yɛmfa yɛadeɛ no ɛnspread na yɛbɛtumi akontain na yɛ ho atɔ yɛ menim sɛ companies bebree wɔ hɔ no mu a ɔmo adwumayɛfoɔ ne ne yɛka ho aketua asɛm no ɛbɛ hard nti yɛhwɛ sɛ ɔmbɛtumi nyinaa bɛtumi aboa ne yɛyɛ adwuma ma no akɔ yie na deɛ mɛka nie me kurom asante ne nti mɛsrɛ regional minister ne napamfo na nsuo ho ɔden ma yɛ ɛwɔ asante ne nti nti yɛm sɛ na mete sɛ na Dr. Pokodu sɛ kai regional minister sɛ ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo ne mampam si nkasa ne yɛmmoa no nsuo no yɛnsanka nti yɛbɛsrɛ wɔ mo sɛ ɔmo hwɛ na ɔma ne mmerɛ onya abotrɛ yɛdwumadie na papa no ɛyɛ no wɔayɛ ama Ghanafoɔ agye no ato ɛnyɛ deɛ ɔno ba bɛkan ɛna mfa sɛ ɛbɛda no obi adwene so wɔte ase yɛbɛsrɛ na
yɛda ase paa Mr. Ernest Kwaku J a second vice chairman Menshia constituency and Jake Azantilo Jake Azantilo NDC communicator Kumasi Omo and Ambawa Yamane they show you every mile Augustina engine room Loretta and so you Kobe Frank Onona Chin Yan cameras no at the MIA AJEC and so the producer at the MIA Ben and so a PRO and Ochunozo and also a production manager Wafa also Yachiapa Nameya Duma next week Monday Edukosi Friday the best answer Eddie Abramo Midi Eddie Samuel Kwabna Dako aka Sam Dacos Nameya Duma the best answer
Now, Makwaba Ediba Kolike Medicals Limited, they will come and say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Ultra Police Junction, and Wanero. Kolike Medicals, and as a hospital, they will come and say Kroviemu. I would see a mission to say that the fire in Sasso Abwa and Kofodo or how Nipabiemu can Yarawa diseases. Ye share ya repeat say arthritis eno pemuni enkasemu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu I was a shady POP there was a dislocation of any of the bones or joints what the bakalika ebeboa ama omato make us say hypertension and now when you diabetes and now when you kidney problem or nice arthritis but modern brand na only ever 20 ya na ye wo emuro son kwa ye adwuma enye no nko so ye wo mfidie ahodo obono a ye de check the padua no ye wo laboratory sector ye de hwehwe ni padua emogya mu yade a ekoso ansa na ye de adru account sebi ya kosua wo fie ya fogun school akosua de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi china ene ya kan ye boboma ye boase ni padodo bi obeba ye nchen no erade be fa ye nsaso e de apoto ama won enti oni a wo hwe me ope baby akwa opa ya resabia bi akwa tutuna mo bra Kolike Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport runabout kwana e ko buku na se amtoa kwan ne so no obetima free telephone numbers na wo mu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e chill so a tutu mi kabra na rade be fire so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene nafofo nyina eso
Kolike Medical Limited the physiotherapy units and your children. Uba Yasuya, your Yadiam Briasa, a high massaging unit, your machine, I did me a Ubia, the children pain in Castle, and I say, now person the joint area, and outside and China, your UV light machine. I did that truly panels what say Emporo, Ebia not beating blood vessels, no, baby SC in 1 clock. A woman in Tino, Emma, a Mujano, it's me, it did a Fusani. So, Obayasuya, you will have to be Brias, and yet, and blue and one at the mount, the sound of machines are, yet they a little good to say they are, a quality being a hoarding. You can't be able to say, a year male and female infertility, Oba Kolike Medical Limited. Say, Oba, Opa, one out, one wire the amount. And I said, Bema, Opa, a war. Na ne kwamwa no ahode nim a obetimi ama oba ani nsɛn ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha ɛno so da nkyɛn a ɛyɛ stroke obi a wenya stroke sɛ ne fa ɛna adodo anaasɛ nipa duamu no nyinaa ɛna adodo a ɔmfa n'ani ɛnkyerɛ ha yare bi te sɛ kidney problem ɛyɛ typhoid junso mu yareɛ ɛne nam yareɛ syphilis gonorrhea deɛ ɛno deɛ na yɛ sɛ wode duru ha yɛbɛte ne kyɛ yɛba ɛmaa no nso ɛfɛ mu a obi a ɔwɔ fibroid sɛ yɛsɛ na wodeɛ no yare bi abɛdam ɔmfa n'ani ɛnkyerɛ ha mmarima no obi a ɔwɔ ɛyɛ n'apɔ so taa yɛ ne ya anaasɛ obi a ɔntumi na ebi a depression ebi a stress ɛna ama saa yɛ adeɛ wei nyinaa ba ɔmfa n'ani ɛnkyerɛ ha aha ɛyɛ laboratory center ɛyɛ test ahodoɔ nyinaa bi ɛwɔ ha.
Kolikere Medical yɛwɔ Kumasi airport runabout ɛda mo se.
Eka unkuwa dia enka mewu otamfu neka unkuwa naka masekura misin neka unkuwa.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebie Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebie Sini papa be na upe bi ahye Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebie Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Eka unkuwa dia, enka mewu.
No, Makwaba, Ediba Kolikere.